Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using different languages, and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we have done using React 18. And I hope you are enjoying that videos till here which we have uploaded using React 18. So I'll be uploading more videos like that using React 18 in future as well. And today we are also working with React 18 and building an amazing project. So today I will be telling you how to just build an amazing project of submit events, and I will be telling you basically what are submit events in React 18 and how to work with this. So I hope you'll be enjoying and understanding this video as well, because in this video we'll be learning about submit events, like basically what are submit events, how you can submit your events if you want to submit, and how we can work with this project. So I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video as well. But if you are new here and watching this video for the first time, and if you have understanding and learning things from this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that videos as well. So remember to check out my all the starting up videos which I have uploaded using React 18. Like from the start I have uploaded many of the things using React 18, like how to set up React 18, how to make folder in React 18, how to run your React 18 app, all the things related to React 18 I've telling you. We have also learned about routers and use transition effects, all that stuff. You can also check that out, because that will giving you help if you want to learn React 18 from start to end. So I hope you'll be understanding these all videos which I am uploading, and more videos will be coming on React 18. And I will be also uploading big videos as well when we are just uploading these React 18 videos. So I hope you'll be understanding today's video. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing basically what is this submit events and how we can work with submit events using React 18 in submit events. So just like I'm telling you, today we are just building an amazing project using React 18, and today I will be telling you basically what are submit events and how to build this submit event project in React 18. So for building this project in React 18, here you have to open your VS Code, and after opening this VS Code text editor, here we have to move to file, and then we have to open folder which is created on local disk C. In the first React 18 video I have created this folder. You can check that out if you want to learn how to create React 18 folder. And if you are watching this video for the first time, so just tell me now, pressing this app1 folder and pressing select folder, I'll be opening this. After opening this folder, I will be running my React 18 app by writing the command of npm start, which is the command to run your React.js or React 18 app. So here I will be moving to my f1 folder, which is the main folder, and these are the two main files from which we'll be working in today's video. So like here in the previous video we have learned about these all stuff. So here this is my main app.css file from which we'll be working, and I will be raising all the codes in app.js file because we will be not needing these all stuff. These are the previous video work which we have done here. Save this. Then you have to move to in public. You can see previously on we have learned about parameters, and in parameters we have just learned about these all list. Now it is running our Microsoft Edge browser as our default browser, and now it will be showing us the command saying successfully compiled, means that our file is now working. You can see it is saying that compiled successfully, means now we can view it in browser, and now it has compiled successfully. So here we have to now move to our main file, and we have to change the title first of all. So the title you can see here is parameters, but today we are learning about submit events. So here I will be now writing here submit events like this. Save. You can see now the title has been changed to submit events. Now I will be moving to my main app.js file, and we have to now learn about basically what are the submit events. Submit events are the you can say objects which we use as button. Like when we create button, and in button we write the value of submit, so means that are our submit events. So if I create one button, and in button I will be writing type is equals to, and here you can say if I create one input like this, and after creating input, if I write here type is equals to button, because we want to create button, then I will be directly writing its value, which should be submit here. After writing its value, I will be writing nothing and pressing save. You can see now this input box is showing me a button which is submit button. You can see it is totally looking good. So now you can just style this submit button here, and you can make it good looking. So this is called submit events. Now if I just create any form here, like if I create a name tag like this, so if I create an input, you can say like this input, and in input if I write type is equals to text, in text if I write here class, or you can say if I write here value, and in value I will be now writing submit. So you can say in the value here I will be now writing submit, here I will be now writing the value. Like you can see down we have just written the value of type button and submit. Now I will be writing the value of name here like this. but I will be not writing value here. Just here I will be writing placeholder, and in placeholder I will be writing name. So I will be now writing enter your name like this. Now in React we don't have to write the close tag of anything, so here I will be writing this slash to close, same as here I will be doing, and then closing this input tag from here. After doing this, save it, then you can see we are showing one value here, it is written submit. So here I will be raising this value of submit which is written, and then you can see it is showing us that it is printing now. So here I will be saving it, then reload. You can see now it is showing. So now if you want to take it down, you can press br tag here. After writing this br tag here, you have to save. You can see now it is showing us the submit button, and again you can write br tag to make more space. You can see now it is showing us that enter your name and the submit button. Now if I write my name like Inshal Beg, then if I press submit, so I can see that now it is not submitting. So I will be writing value submit fill, you can say disabled. So if I want to disable this, I will be writing here disabled. Save it, and you can see now your button has been disabled. You cannot touch this button here because now the submit events has been disabled here. You can see this. You can also do this same thing in the input box as well. So for doing this same thing in the input box, you have to move at the top, then just you have to write here a tag which should be like disabled. So here I will be now writing disabled. Save here, then you can see now this input box has also been disabled, and it is only showing my name which I have written previously on, but now we cannot touch it because it has been disabled and we cannot write anything in this box. But now I've just undisabled my button, so because of that we can just write everything in this button. So if I write here undisabled, you can see now your box has been undisabled, means your input box has been undisabled. Now you can just write any name and anything here. So like this, these submit events work. You can disable these submit events, you can change the type of these submit events, you can disable this, undisable this. You can also add some other thing in this, like if I move here and if I want to add like here I will be now just writing, you can also write here draggable. If I write this draggable, and if I save, so you will be seeing that it will be not dragging, means you cannot select this input box because it is now draggable. So you cannot select anything here. You can see it is not draggable, you can drag this. But if I just write here undraggable, now if I want to select anything, you can see still we are not getting because I have written draggable. So this is the thing which I want to show you. If you make draggable, so it will be not working. So now you can see if I write my name here this time like Inshalbek, and now if I want to see, you can see now it is working, means it is now selecting because I erased the draggable tag here. Now if I again write the draggable like this, so I will be raising this, save here, and you can see now it has been again draggable. So yeah, you can drag it, but you cannot select anything here. You can see you can select it by using shift and arrow key, but you cannot use mouse to select it directly because now it is draggable input box. So like this, these all submit events work. Like you can just make many of the different categories in this submit events, and you can work with this. Like you can make draggable events, you can just build here like you can disable your input box using the submit events, you can just make it unselected here. You can do many things using this submit event. So I hope you understand this, how you can do this all stuff. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things, because I'll be bringing up more videos using these all stuff like submit events and many other languages I'll be bringing up in the future when we will be covering up our React 18 tutorial. So if you have enjoyed, understand, hit a like, subscribe, notification bell you have to hit, so from which you will be notified, and also remember to share this video so more people can learn. So I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.